Car Shipping Alpena, Michigan, Premium Auto Transport. Alpena is a metro area found at the edge of Michigan State, and it's best known for the industrial manufacture of cement, tourism, and thriving outdoor recreational activities. The town owes a huge debt of gratitude to the Port of Alpena, as it has been one of the major job creators and the key economic engine. Port of Alpena is one of the world's largest freshwater ports and is nestled on Lake Huron. The port dabbles in both cruise and cargo ships. The two main transit methods when shipping cars to or from Port Alpena include roll-on roll-off method and container. The former is the more popular because of two key things: simplicity and cost. Your car will be loaded by simply driving it onto the ro-ro ship and offloaded by rolling it off the vessel at the port of discharge. The ro-ro vessel is both wind and watertight, hence offers sufficient protection from harsh marine elements. When utilizing this method, you will not be required to map out the logistics for port delivery, container packing, or flat rack loading. However, take note that you will not be allowed to have any personal effects in the car during transit. Failure to adhere to this could have you contending with fines and delays at the port. As a result, ro-ro shipping is very affordable. Shipping cars to or from Alpena with A-1 auto shipping is the best decision that you could make. Choose the best by checking out our website for a free, no obligation quote.